Good day everyone, and thanks for joining us today. My name is Raj Jana and I'm the Managing Director of Devonshire Accountants. Firstly, a very big thank you to everyone who has subscribed to our channel. Please keep subscribing so we can update you on the government stimulus packages, and we will be doing a lot more videos for the upcoming tax session. Also lined up are videos with our Head of Financial Planning Division, and in addition we are doing a number of webinars which are in the pipeline in conjunction with a reputed CPA firm that we closely work with, who are based in the CBD, Brisbane CBD area. So please keep tuned. So moving on today's video, we'll be discussing the new announcement from the Australian Tax Office. This special announcement is an arrangement due to the COVID-19 and is to streamline the process for people to claim deductions for working at home. Again, we can see that the government is demonstrating its support from all possible sections, and this one from the ATO is another welcome announcement. This arrangement will be for the 2020 tax session. Basically, its core aim is to allow individuals to claim expenses for working from home, as most of us are experiencing this big change by working at home, including a majority of individuals who are working from home for the very first time. And hence, the ATO acknowledges this and have stepped in to make it an easier process during the upcoming tax session. So what is this arrangement? Basically, it's called the shortcut method, announced by the Assistant Commissioner Karen Fort on the 7th of April 2020, part of the COVID-19 stimulus package. It's effective from 1st March 2020 to 30th June 2020, and basically it's only for individuals working from home. And how it works is it provides a flat rate of 80 cents per hour for working from home. I'll give an example towards the end of the video. As normal taxation rules apply, individuals will need to keep records to claim this, and as per our information, timesheets will also be required as evidence, and other records can be asked by the ATO. However, it has been kept as a very simple method. It also allows multiple people to claim the shortcut method. So for example, a couple working together from the same home could now individually claim expenses. Most importantly, the dedicated work from home area has also been removed under the shortcut method. So this I see this as a major change, because in the past we've had this obviously to prove to the ATO that there's a dedicated area for working from home. So this has been removed under the shortcut method. So as I mentioned earlier, so these are for claims from March to 30th June. So claims prior to 1st March cannot be calculated using the shortcut method. So what individuals will have to do for expenses prior to 1st March is to use the existing methods to claim their working from home expenses deductions. The existing methods will be calculated using the existing approaches, and they're subject to the current existing requirements. Therefore, there's no change from ATO on those methods. So I would recommend please keep all your records so we can help you claim your expenses accordingly and using the best method at tax time. Important point is that you could also use the existing methods for the whole financial year instead of the shortcut method. So there's another option there. This will depend on obviously on the individual circumstances. We can advise during the tax time once we review your job pattern and expenses. And a big reminder from ATO, the 3 golden rules for deductions will still apply. So basically, you must have spent the money and not have been reimbursed. The expenses must directly relate to your earning income, and you must have a record to support your claim. So these are 3 golden rules for deductions, and these will apply again to the shortcut method. Now I'm just moving on to a very simple example. We've got Stephen, who's an employee who works as an editor. He's been working from home since 16th March 2020 as a result of COVID-19. And he replaces his face-to-face meetings with an online video conferencing. He's bought some equipment, toners, stationery for working at home. So the 3 ways that Stephen can claim this is as follows. So you can use the new shortcut method. And if using this method, Stephen will have to have his timesheets as evidence and use the new rate which the Assistant Commissioner has mentioned. Or if using the existing methods, then he will have to calculate the current cents per rate method, which is 52 cents, and he needs to apply this existing rate for expenses like heating and cooling, etc. Plus, he will have to calculate the decline in value of the equipment and also calculate the working related portion of other expenses, including his stationery and toners. So quite importantly here, the other two factors which we have to consider is to have the calculation of the decline value depreciation of the equipment and obviously the other expenses in relation to his work. And thirdly, Stephen can claim the actual work related portion of his running expenses, which again will be need to calculate on a very reasonable basis. So it's important to remember that we are here to assist you with the calculations when we finalize your tax returns. So this video was just to bring you a brief summary of what the ATO has announced. We will look after all the methods mentioned earlier. So I can't stress enough that please keep all records up to date, including timesheets and tax invoices. So when you come at the tax session, we can have a look at them. I do know that we're a couple of months away from filing out our taxes, but this way we can be better prepared. I hope this short video has been useful. Lastly, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell for future notifications. Our contact details are on screen as well, and we're here to assist you in the best possible way. Before I leave you, I would like to share a quote from Dalai Lama, which is quite relevant again to our new lives in light of COVID-19, and it's on kindness. It's very relevant as I've seen so many acts of kindness by fellow Australians everywhere during this difficult time. So thank you very much. Stay safe, work from home where possible, and look after your family and friends. Thank you.